All right, guys, today we are going to hook up the charger for my EV. So stay tuned. This is where you charge it right here. So we're just gonna go to the house and get that thing hooked up. Should be a pretty nice day, but that's it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's open up this charger. Found one on Amazon. It's normally like a little under 300 bucks, but they had a special going on for $199. So I can't complain. We'll give it a shot. It had pretty good reviews, and if it doesn't, I mean, we're gonna use it. And we'll see how it works. Check it, and we'll give it a shot. If it works, it works. If not, we'll just get another one. All right, let's see what's in the package here. I recently got my 240 volt plug installed. 1450 NEMA plug. So that's what this thing should be. Do an unboxing here. I guess this is the thing that the holster for your charger. Check that out. We'll figure out how to install that. That hangs up on, it's going to be on the side of the house. We've got this other mounting block. Little booklet. Instructions, how to install. All that type stuff. We'll go through it. Pretty cool. And it passed. Quality check. Quality check 01. Passed. Styrofoam. Here's those little cards that it comes with. Comes with two. Keep one in my wallet and one in a safe place. This way, if you're out of town and somebody just so happens to see your charger hanging on the side of the house, they're gonna be like, "Oh, I can go charge there," but they can't because you got to swipe this boop, NFC card to make it work, to make it start charging. So that's kind of neat. Here's the unit itself, guys. It's not a bad looking unit. Got some hardware here, but my siding is kind of concrete, so I got some self tappers instead. I don't think I'm gonna use that. And all right, let's see. Comes with 25-foot cord. So that's the unit itself. 25 feet of cord here. And you can see this is the mount that you have to mount onto the wall. And you've got these hooks. See that? So let's pretend this is mounted on the wall and I'm gonna hang the charger. Line it up and then you push it down. Now it's hung. Gonna be kind of cool. Should be getting 11 kilowatts max. I'm okay with 9 or 10. Since it'll be doing it like while I'm sleeping. Okay, guys. So I already have it plugged in. I'm gonna come back with my multi-tool and I'm gonna notch this little plastic piece out right here so that it can hug that and I can close this completely. But first thing I'm gonna do, I've already measured it. I'm gonna hang this right there. And slide into it and hang right there, just like that. So, and the breaker is turned off to that. FYI. Safety. Look at these self tappers to go into this, because this is actually concrete, this thing. Assassin and your roar ain't ready. Green running clean, revolution on display. Watch up the wires like beats on replay. I gotta recharge the freaking battery or get my extra one. Hang tight. Alright guys, got my other battery. Let's see if it's any better. That's it right there, guys. That's it right there, guys. Waterproof. Now I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on. See that? I'm gonna notch out about that much of it, so that when I close it, it'll go over the cube here. Make sure everything's clean. And just like that. Just like that. Basically it. We just gotta hang the pistol. Alright guys. Now all I gotta do is hang that little pistol holder, which I'm probably gonna put down there. I haven't decided where I'm gonna put it. Or I might just leave it hanging. But that's pretty much it right there. That's it, guys. You just hit that card and it starts charging. The light flashes green when it's charging. And right there verifies that you're charging. Right there. Awesome little charger. Badass car, guys.